So hey loves, welcome back to another video. So see my face, this Urban Skin RX is so bomb. So yeah, I did not finish my video from yesterday, and I should have, but it was so fun and y'all missed it. It's okay, I'm sorry. Next time. But I do have on my other fit today. It's so cute. It's just so cute. The pants. And I'm about to do another light little natural beat. And I'm just going to... So I'm about to do this quick beat real fast and I will be right back. Before I go bed, I'm going to end it up. Alright y'all, so look. I just did me a quick little beat, but 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Oh, she cute, and I just got on foundation. Oh, she cute, and I just got on foundation. We out here. We out here.